EVT, an automotive test equipment and repair service. Your place where you can make one call to repair it all.
Congratulations on your decision to purchase the most revolutionary tire changing system in the industry today. The 9010 Rim Clamp from Coates, the first name in quality for over 50 years. Your decision was a wise one, in that the 9010 offers your tire business the finest in speed, versatility, accuracy, durability, and ease of use. It's much more than a tire changer. Its innovative design makes the 9010 the only tire changer on the scene today that can keep pace with an ever-changing industry and is easily adaptable to all your tire changing needs now and in the future. Proper use of the 9010 requires proper installation and setup, and our service partners are happy to provide their assistance to get you up and running. Coates, the industry standard in tire changer design and manufacturing with its rim clamp technology, presents how to operate and maintain the Coates 9010 Rim Clamp Tire Changer. Use of this Coates tire changer will improve your productivity. Before attempting to operate this or any piece of equipment, always read the entire operator's manual. Pay special attention to the safety information in the manual and on the unit. Always wear eye protection. As with any piece of equipment, understanding how to properly operate and maintain your Coates Rim Clamp Tire Changer will make the job easier, safer, faster, and therefore more profitable. Maximum performance and safety will be obtained only when all persons using the tire changer are fully trained in its parts and operation. Each user should learn the function and location of all controls. Prevent accidents and injuries by ensuring the unit is properly installed, operated, and maintained. Tower, support for horizontal and vertical slides. Air inflation gauge, registers tire pressure when clip-on chuck is attached to valve stem and inflation pedal is released. Inflation pedal, 3-position pedal that allows inflation of tires through air hose and clip-on chuck. Clamp control pedal, 3-position pedal that opens and closes rim clamps. Tabletop pedal, 3-position pedal that controls rotation of tabletop. Tower tilt pedal, 3-position pedal that moves tower forward and back. Clamps, secures wheel for tire changing. Left helpers and support. Includes mount-demount helpers, slide, cylinder, and valve for operation. Lube bucket and swab. Dispenser for rubber lubricant. Mount-demount head. Mounts and demounts tire from wheel. Available in steel or nylon. Slide adjustment handle. Adjust horizontal-vertical slide assembly for proper horizontal and vertical positioning of mount-demount head. Slide locking valve. Locks and unlocks horizontal-vertical slide and sets correct vertical-horizontal position to maintain mount-demount head to wheel clearance. Bead lifting tool, used to lift and position tire bead correctly on mount-demount head. Bead loosener shoe, pivoting shoe for loosening tire beads. Bead loosener pedal, controls operation of bead loosener shoe. Right helpers and support, includes mount-demount roller and disc, slides, cylinder, and valve for operation. Bead sealing nozzles, expands the tire sidewall with air to the bead seat area of rim and thereby seals the tire to the rim and allows inflation. Horizontal and vertical slides, allows correct positioning of mount-demount head. Release valve, allows the manual release of air without removal of the air chuck from the tire. So let's begin by showing you the proper procedures for changing tires using a 9010 tire changer. Always wear eye protection when working around the tire changer. Be sure you understand all safety precautions found in the operator's manual and shown on the machine. Always keep the manual available and easily accessible for reference. Caution: this tire changer may operate differently from tire changers you have previously operated. Practice with a regular steel wheel and tire combination to familiarize yourself with this tire changer's operation and function. Begin by removing the valve core to completely deflate the tire. Use the time it takes for the air to escape to remove all of the balancing weights from the wheel and to check the tire changer to be sure it is in good working order. Be sure you remember to remove all weights from both sides of the wheel. Weights left on backside of wheel may cause the wheel to be clamped unlevel. This may result in the mount-demount head contacting the rim, causing scratches. Failure to remove upper weights may result in damage to wheel when weights strike the mount-demount head during rotation. Always review any nicks and scratches with the owner of expensive wheel and tire combinations prior to servicing. Since the sliding clamps on the table protrude over the edge in their outward position, move them to their inward position before bead loosening to prevent interference. When positioning the tire in the bead loosener, note that loosening the bead that will be closest to the table last will make clamping between the bead and the rim easier. The side of the wheel with the widest flange should always be closest to the table, because the tire should always be removed and installed from the side with the narrowest flange. Be sure the bead loosening shoe is as close as possible to the rim without touching it. Note, some wheels have a low-pressure sensor transmitter strapped to the wheel. Others have a sensor mounted directly to the valve stem. This is especially true on run-flat tire wheel systems. The strap sensor is positioned directly opposite from the valve stem. To avoid damaging the sensor, always loosen the top bead with the valve stem at the 2 o'clock position first, and then continue to loosen the remaining circumference of the bead